Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. So now let's check this one first. Police Super Motorbike, red color. Mini excavator, green color. Red police car. About this one, mini monster truck. Leather truck. Monster, no, this is a tank truck. Crane. Mini racing car, yellow color. Okay, let's move forward so we can see some interesting cars here. Everybody, this is an excavator. How about this one? Truck. How about this one? Ambulance. Monster truck. How about this one, everybody? Supercar. Logistic truck. Super motorbike. Excavator. Police car, green color. Everybody, let's move to a last one track, a last track. Okay. About this one, express bus. A nice express bus, yellow color. How about this one? Cement mixer truck. Nice cement mixer truck. How about this one? Monster truck number 33. Everybody, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.